Welcome to EEZBOOK. Here's a step-by-step guide for new users. If you already have a login ID, simply click on the EEZBOOK tab to get started.
Go to Financial Management and click on Financial. Go to Process and then to Journal Voucher and click on Journal Voucher. A Journal Voucher, JV, is a document used in accounting to record financial transactions. It serves as evidence for recording a transaction in the general ledger. Select Currency. Select Customer. Add USD rate. Select Supplier. Select Employee. Write narration. Click on Add New button. Select any chart of account. Write narration. Add debit amount according to bank transaction limits. Select Customer. Select Supplier. Select Employee. Click on Add New button and select any chart of account. Credit the amount same value as debit value. Select Customer. Select Supplier. Select Employee. Go to Save Journal Voucher and click on Save and Index. Click on Voucher Index. Click on this year. You can update all voucher setting by clicking on yellow pencil type tab. Go to Voucher Index and click on Voucher Index. Click on this year. You can attach any file using this attachment button. Click on Update button. You can print voucher by clicking on Print Blue button.